everybody. I don't know how the sound quality is going to be in here, but I'm going to just try to record something quick. I know it's been a really long time since you've seen me do anything on my channel. I've probably had more change in my life in the last 2 years than I have in the last 20. But with everything that's going on right now, I'm going to try to produce a couple of videos, let you know what's going on. The projects might be silly, but I know a lot of people out there are feeling isolated, and I kind of want to remind you guys that you're not isolated. There's plenty of things to enjoy and participate in the maker community and beyond. A lot of forums, a lot of watch parties, a lot of hangouts, a lot of things, and it's gonna be okay. I made a couple of these goofy little fire starters because I had a lot of random things left over that I didn't particularly want to waste, and I wanted to give it a try. I had some time for it, and I just thought it was worth sharing, and I'm going to try to share more, because if nothing else, bad or good, maybe it's just something to distract you for a little while with all that's going on. So stay hopeful, stay positive, and I hope you enjoy what I have to share.
Without acting alone, have me come slow, have me come slow, without have no soul.